Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Vevor 4-gallon battery-powered backpack sprayer, available on Vevor.com. We wanted to know if this affordable sprayer is reliable, or if it's just another cheap gadget. The good news is, the battery lasts long enough for multiple uses on a single charge. The spray pattern is consistent, and the adjustable nozzles give us flexibility for gardening, pest control, or cleaning tasks. It's also surprisingly comfortable to wear. The padded straps help reduce fatigue. On the downside, the plastic build feels less durable than high-end sprayers. The pump motor is a little noisy, and while the pressure is decent, it's not industrial level. Also, cleaning the unit after use takes time because of the hose length. Overall, this sprayer is worth it for household or light farm use. It's not perfect, but it balances price and functionality well. This has been How to Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.